Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I would like that you hit the like button on my channel and tell me what you think as well. Pass this on as you see fit. Again, I say welcome back or welcome to, guys. So again, tonight I'm going to do a apple croissant thing. That's what I'm calling it right now for the lack of another word. I did see this recipe recently. Thought it was kind of cool, kind of quick, and we're going to put it together, and I'll show you what those ingredients involve here shortly. And there's only 4 ingredients, I guess it is. We're going to bake it off, and then we're going to see what happens with this apple croissant thing, okay? All right. Pretty good. They do look pretty good. They smell absolutely scrumptious. I'm probably going to serve them with some ice cream, maybe. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. If it's your first time, please come back again. Please, again, guys, hit that like button if you like what you see. Pass this on as you see fit as well. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in.